In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to set up development environment for Yeoman. First task is to go and install all the dependencies which are required in order to install Yeoman as a development utility. Yeoman is used in order to quickly create project structure, following all the best practices, creating the directory structure, and building in all the dependencies. So let's start with downloading the appropriate dependencies which are there. For that, we will launch the browser. Once we launch the browser, we have to go and we have to specify https node.js org/en in order to see the download page. On the download page, you will get two options. One is to download the recommended for most users, that is 8.11.2 LTS, and other one is the current one which comes with latest feature. You can click on 10.4.0 current and invoke the download. Once you have started the download, it will download the required MSI file which is used for installation. We have downloaded and we have kept this installer in a folder called as software, which is there on the desktop. We'll double click on node v10.4.0 x64, which is for 64-bit, and we'll launch the installer. Once you double click, it will open a security warning which will take your acceptance in order to run this installer to install the program. Click on run. Once you click on run, it will launch a wizard which will ensure that you are able to install Node.js step by step. So first step is to click on next. Second step is to select your acceptance in terms of terms and conditions, that is license agreement. Third step is to click on next and specify the destination folder. You can specify those destination folder of your choice. I'll keep default, that is Node.js. I'll click on next. Once we click on next, it gives us opportunity of doing custom setup. So we can select Node.js runtime, we can select npm package manager, we can select online documentation shortcuts, and also add to path. We are selecting all the options here and we are clicking on next. Once we click on next, your installer start installing by preparing the installation as per the operating system. Final step is to click on install and wait for setup wizard to complete the installation process. If I say all this, no, your video will go for 20 minutes. I will stop. Yes, sir. इंस्टॉलेशन रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है, इंस्टॉलेशन चल रहा है, पॉज किया हुआ है.